Welcome back to Fox Tech, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to answer a common question. Can an Apple Watch work without cellular? The short answer is yes, and I'll explain how and why it works perfectly well without cellular connectivity. Let's get into it right now. First of all, I personally use an Apple Watch without cellular capabilities, and it suits my needs just fine. The reason is simple. I'm usually either with my iPhone nearby or close to Wi-Fi networks. For many users, this setup works seamlessly. Apple Watch models without cellular are known as GPS models. These watches are specifically designed to function without needing cellular connectivity. Instead, they rely on a Bluetooth connection with your iPhone for most of their functionality. When your watch is paired with your iPhone via Bluetooth, you can receive notifications, use apps, and even track your fitness activities. Moreover, your Apple Watch can connect to known Wi-Fi networks. This means that even if your iPhone isn't nearby, as long as your watch is connected to a familiar Wi-Fi network, you can still receive notifications and use apps that require internet access. This is particularly useful when you're at home, at work, or in any place where you frequently connect to Wi-Fi. When it comes to features, the Apple Watch GPS model excels in tracking workouts, monitoring your heart rate, and using GPS for location tracking. These features don't require cellular connectivity and work independently of your iPhone. For fitness enthusiasts, this means you can go for a run or workout without your phone and still track all your activity accurately. Additionally, the Apple Watch allows for offline use. You can store music and podcasts directly on the watch and listen to them without needing your iPhone. Some apps also have offline functionality, enabling you to use them without a constant internet connection. However, for calls and messages, your Apple Watch does require your iPhone to be nearby. The watch uses your iPhone's connection to make and receive calls and messages. So, if being able to make calls or send texts without your phone is important to you, then the GPS plus cellular model might be more suitable. But for many users, having their iPhone close by is enough to handle these tasks. In summary, an Apple Watch can indeed work without cellular connectivity. The GPS models are designed for this purpose, and they offer a range of functionalities that don't rely on cellular. Whether you're tracking your fitness, using apps, or staying connected via Wi-Fi, the GPS Apple Watch provides a robust and versatile experience. Thank you for watching this video on Fox Tech C. If you found this information helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.